Well, hold it up. Turn it over.
What is it? Adora.
You like it? Is it Adora, baby?
Yeah. I'm gonna get this one.
That took all 5 seconds to lose interest.
Uh-oh.
Holy cow.
Wow. You can be creative.
Wow. What you got there?
What is that? That's a huge coloring book. Man.
Sleeping Beauty.
Sleep.
Color.
Yeah. Is there anything else in there? More paper. Anything else?
Yeah.
Stick your head in
What's
there.
in there? Go look.
Stick your head in the bag. Make sure you got everything out.
Look in the bag. Uh-oh. Ooh, what's that?
Sleeping Beauty.
Uh-huh. Markers. Cool.
You need